Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Very Versatile. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video captures some ideas on how to spend quality time at home during the lockdown. If you enjoy watching videos on productivity, motherhood and lifestyle, please subscribe to my channel, Miss Very Versatile. It will cost you nothing but will mean a lot to me. Link is in the description box. To get notifications every time I upload a video, please click the bell icon as shown in the screen here. Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Now today's topic is here to resonate with our current tough times brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, as we all know, COVID-19 has caused a pandemic around the world which has lasted for over a year, and we all really are guessing when this is all going to go away. It has brought about some unforeseen circumstances, some unique situations, which is new to most people, almost everybody around the world, and has created so much of havoc everywhere. While some of us are privileged to have shelter over our head, food on our table, and have the well-being and health of our friends and family, many of us are suffering a lot during these times. So today I would like to begin the video by praying for the welfare of our community, the friends, family we have. And I would like to pray with you all for a minute for the welfare and quick healing of the world. Let's join hands and close our eyes for a minute. Now, given the current COVID-19 pandemic situation and the emphasis to stay indoors in order to prevent the spread of this virus, it is important for all of us at an individual, family, as well as at a community level to come up with ideas and to implement those ideas in our day-to-day lives on how we can, stay happy and stay engaged within the confinement of our home. Now, I have divided the entire set of ideas for spending quality time into different categories based on the age groups, or whether people are living as bachelors or individuals, or second category is for family or small families with children and the parents, and third category is for spending quality time with friends and extended family, etc. So idea number one is to start a workout program. This can be done by signing up for various online workout classes that are available these days. This could be, weight training at home, or it could be yoga classes or anything else like Pilates that helps you stay fit by staying indoors. And you have an interactive session with an instructor online who will also guide you in the right way. Idea number two is learning to cook and discovering a good chef within you by making a few recipes. Some of the trends that were really global trends and caught up too quickly last year, one was the Dalgona coffee. So do give these a try. Parents and children can actually bond together by creating a theme-based, either a dinner or a lunch together on a weekend. Because we do not always have the opportunity to go out and eat, and it's not considered safe during the COVID-19 pandemic. So staying at home and creating theme-based, dining options at home is a great way for parents and children to bond together and spend time. My next idea is to take up a course for career advancement that would help, build your resume and help you pick something up that you've been looking to hone and improve as far as your career goes. Now, there are various, educational platforms that offer both free as well as paid courses. Feel free to explore. Some of the ones that I can think of, one is Skillshare. They have multiple courses based on your liking and the subject that you want to learn something on. There is LinkedIn Learning, and of course there are other educational platforms such as Coursera, edX, etc. So feel free to go out there and explore courses to your liking. You can even get certifications or full-fledged degrees for some of them if you have the time, the willingness and the finance to invest in it. Next idea is to pick up a hobby or develop a hobby that you've long strived to fulfill but haven't really gotten a chance to get to given your day-to-day busy schedule. So for me, it was starting this YouTube channel and my social media venture. Go out there and explore and find what you wanted to do, and take out the time to fulfill those hobbies. Another great way to spend your time in a wise manner, in my opinion, is learning a new language. Now, the entire world has almost become like a global village, and we are all so connected, with different countries. Oftentimes, we have to travel to different countries for our work, or we go for taking trips, leisure trips with our friends and family, etc. So, really knowing a local language helps, sort of navigating ourselves better in a new area and in a new country. And of course, it gives us the confidence to really, have a great trip. So there are different platforms that offer you both a free as well as a paid version to learn new languages. Next idea is to plan a future trip. While it can be quite frustrating and sad that we cannot actually take any vacation at this point, but I think it's important to be grateful for what we have at this point in time and look to the future and hope that once the pandemic situation improves and we can actually take vacations, planning one such vacation. Now, for all those young millennials out there who've long waited and thought about being financially more literate and starting to invest, there isn't a better time than this to start the process. At least get yourself acquainted with the different terms out there by taking a course, and then once you familiarize yourself with the different financial options that you have available for investing, go ahead and try your hand out on a few. Obviously, you have to be cautious when starting to invest and take small steps to reach bigger goals, but give it a try. I'm sure it will bring you great returns in the future if done in a planned and calculated manner that is well researched and thought out. For many of us out there, we are looking to take a major jump or a big step in our career, but haven't gotten the time to do so because of our day-to-day busy schedule. So start preparing for an exam that will sort of springboard your career to the next level, and pay the attention and time needed to really focus on taking up courses or learning and preparing for exam. Now, if you are somebody who really likes to help out and go out there and give it your best shot to help all those people in need, there is no better time than now to be a volunteer, especially a COVID volunteer. Find out through your friends, family, local communities or internet what are the areas where you could provide help as a COVID volunteer. And I think it's a great use of your time and resources. Try and bond over a cup of coffee or tea, whatever is your beverage of preference, and really have these heart-to-heart conversations and chat. It helps you get through the day and makes you also feel close to your partner. My next idea is to set your financial goals together and hone your family budget, if you haven't already started doing so. Now, there are various resources online that help you do that, but a great way to start is to start with a spreadsheet or an Excel sheet that will help you track your finances and go from there in terms of improving areas that you are looking to succeed in. Play board games with your children if they are not very young. Picking the right kind of games to engage all the family members together can be a great way to spend time. There is a lot of learning opportunity that people of every age group have in this kind of group activity, and time just passes by so quickly. Another great way and a very effective way to clean up some clutter in your house that has built up over time but didn't get the right attention because of busy lives that we all lead is to declutter sections of your home. And this could be done in a more planned and organized way by targeting different sections of the house. Kids can be involved in the decluttering activity. That way they enjoy and feel engaged with their parents, and effectively you are actually helping to get clutter out of your house and making it more organized. So it is a win-win from both aspects. Another idea for spending good time together as a couple and bond together is to refurbish or decorate sections of your house. This could mean something as simple as doing DIYs together and putting your time into something that you both really enjoy. It doesn't always have to be something very extravagant and very well thought out. It can be any activity that sort of helps to make the house look better or cleaner or more beautiful and help both partners bond well. Now, during the pandemic situation, we've all witnessed some great TV shows that have been, releasing on these different streaming platforms. So feel free to explore to the genre of your liking and pick something that is binge-worthy and spend good time watching and, just going through series one after the other. Now, most of us love spending time with our friends and family, and we often like doing this on a regular basis. But COVID-19 pandemic has brought about this unique lockdown situation because of which we are mostly confined to our own houses. Now, if we still want to connect with our friends and family and keep in touch with them during these times, here are some ideas to address that. Having group video calls. This could be group video calls with your extended family members, it could be with your friends, it could be with your friends and colleagues. So there are different groups that can be made, and these conversations are really enjoyable. A lot of time goes into really spending and getting through these calls, but at the end of the day you are spending great time with your friends and family without actually physically being there. Start a monthly virtual book club. So for all those enthusiasts of book reading out there, this is a great way to connect with your friends and family. Have the book club book reviews set up on a certain frequency that is suitable to all members, and try and review books that sort of have met the common interest of all members on the group. This way you can also have frequent chats and meetups on virtual sessions and learn something from different books that are completed and read, and perspectives will be shared by different people. Please try out some of these tips and ideas and let me know which ones you implemented and how it has helped you stay connected with your friends and family and spend quality time. If you are an enthusiast of content that is related to day-to-day lifestyle, do check out my channel Miss Very Versatile. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and check out my video on the best latte recipe that is homemade and gets the coffee ready in under 5 minutes. Let's connect on social media. My social media handles are Miss Very Versatile. Please comment below and let me know what other topics on lifestyle would you like me to cover. If you enjoyed watching today's video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video, and thank you for joining today. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.